Question 8. The diagram shows the graph of a function. Which of the following is the equation of the function? The first thing to note is that the graph is even. In other words, the graph is symmetrical in the y-axis. And that implies that options C and D are both incorrect. So the next step is to choose a critical point and then test option A and option B and determine which one of those two is correct. So the critical point I'm going to choose is this point here, 1, 0. So that's the x-intercept right there. And what I want to test is when I substitute x equals 1 into both options A and B, I want to check which one of those will give me a y value of 0. So testing option A and substituting 1 for x, we get y is equal to the absolute value of 1 minus the absolute value of 1 minus 2. So working inside out, the absolute value of 1 minus 2 is -1. The absolute value of -1 is +1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and the absolute value of 0 is 0. So option A passes. Let's test the equation in option B. Substituting 1 for x, we get y is equal to the absolute value of 2 minus the absolute value of 1 minus 1. The absolute value of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2, and the absolute value of 2 is 2, which is not equal to 0. So option B is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.